So this is the video on how to download images from the internet and then how to bring them into Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Images. Just type in Google Images or just type in Google and then hit the Images tab at the top. Now, what you're going to want to do for this first initial kind of test is type something in that you want to look at for a couple of days. What you want to do is you want to find something that's large enough. So inside Google, they deal with a bunch of tools. And there's some things that you should look at. So here are some of the tools at the top. The biggest one is size. You want to eliminate anything that is a small sized image. Technically, we need something that is 650 pixels by 650 pixels or above on both sides. So I'm going to show you how Google actually does this, and they change it all the time. So you see this number down here in the corner. This one is 2400 by 1350. That is big enough. If neither side is bigger than 650, you have to go and look for something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my right click, or you can just, on the Mac, you can just hold your control key. That will allow you to save as, and then what you want to do is you want to save as something. Now, this is a WEBP file. We can change those inside of Photoshop at this point, but it's better to look for a JPEG. The issue is the internet has gotten smart for us taking some of these pictures off. So what you want to do is you want to find something that's a JPEG. If it is a WEBP file, we can always resave it in Photoshop. It's not a huge deal. So what I'd like you to do is find two images on the internet of something that you want to look at while you're sort of testing some things out. That needs to be saved to your Chromebook or to your computer, and then we will open it in Photoshop. So once you have an image that you want to pull into Photoshop, you have to open up Photoshop on the web and then go ahead and upload the photo. You can upload from your computer, from your phone, from Lightroom, from Google Drive, either one of those things. Google Drive is probably going to be the one that you use on the Chromebook. Then you need to find the image that you want to open. So I have several images here on my desktop. I'm on a Mac. On the PC, it's going to look very similar as the Mac does right now. In or on the Chromebook, you're going to be inside of Google Drive. Go ahead and find one of the ones that you actually looked for that you want to look at. I'm going to open the JPEG. So this one can open inside Photoshop. And now you have a picture inside Photoshop, and we're ready to start talking about the program in general. So this is it. This is the basics of uploading a photo to Photoshop.